So now we come to the second form of system of equations using the substitution method. So system of equations. Substitution. So let's take two equations and we'll try to express one of the variables in terms of the other variable and substitute it in the other equation. So the easiest way to express this or work with this substitution method is to try to look for a variable that you can easily express in terms of the other variable. So I'm going to use equation 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 2y to the other side. So using SADMAP, I can easily subtract. So I know x is 6 minus 2y. So I'll use this piece of information and plug it in over here. So let's do that. 3 times 6 minus 2y minus 4y is equal to 28, and then we can distribute the 3 inside. So I'll get 18 minus 6y minus 4y is equal to 28. And then I can keep solving. Because I see like terms, I can add or subtract them and then solve henceforth. So let's keep working. So minus 6 minus 4y will give me a negative 10y. And then I can move the 18 by subtracting. And then divide the negative 10. So that will give me y as negative 1. So that's my solution. And then to solve for x, I could just plug it in over here because we know x is something in terms of y. So if I plug that in, get 6 plus 2, x is 8. That's my solution. So that's how I'm going to solve my equations.